Okay, when I'm taking tea, then my cat is taking milk. I'm happy it finished before me. It finished its milk before I finish my tea. You want another one? Cat? Puss? You want another milk? You want another milk? Don't eat that, but it is God properties. Birds are eating rice, cat drinking milk. The owner is drinking tea.